Guess the word. The hint is a URL or a connection. What's the word? Link. A funny or viral internet image. Meme. Online conversation is the hint. What's the word? Chat. To share content online. Post. Keywords are labels on posts. Tags. Stream of updates or info. Feed. To modify content. That's right, edit. Written words. Text. Word number 16. A small symbolic image. Icon. A personal website or diary. Blog. A survey of opinions. Poll. A quick network message. Ping. A video, diary or blog. Vlog. Symbol used before keywords. Hash. 9 more to go, happening right now. Live. Word number 8. Video streaming platform. Tube. Someone who uses a service. User. Video call app. Zoom. Uppercase letters on keyboards. Caps. Numbers that show data. Stats. Information often digital. Data. Here is the second last word, a quick photo or message. Snap. Last word, a sudden flash of electricity. Bolt.